think we have to pick 2 just in case, because raccoons might get it before us. Look how nice this is, and this is February, right? Are we supposed to get them this time of year?
Usually in April, but I guess we're having our early season.
We're lucky. They've always been so delicious. Look at this one. It's really nice. It already has a smell. So guys, we have to pick these early. We have last 2 seasons, I think the raccoons just raided this tree, and you can see so many already. Hopefully we don't get a frost. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one early. What do you think?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I think we put them inside in a brown paper bag and have them ripe. Wow, I can't believe the smell already. Should we try this one too?
Yeah, sure.
Too short. So if you have a way to get rid of raccoons, let us know, because they are vicious here. And these are our jujube. I see 2 on here already. Look how big they are. Are you seeing this? I love jujube. And look at another one. I'm gonna pick it. It's good. One for me, one for you.
All right.
So peaches and jujube today. Not too bad. I'm gonna put this up because they're not fully ripe, but we have to pick them early because of the raccoons, and our jujube as well. And I think these are pretty ready, right?
Yeah, they are.
And we have to also pick them quickly too, because the raccoons as well. So
Those are as big as apples though.
I know, these are really nice. So if you have any ideas that you can share with us how to get rid of the raccoons, we'd appreciate it. Just put that in the comments below. And also, of course, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We are the Island Gardeners. Until next time, and remember, stay healthy and eat fresh. This is so good. See you next time.